Actually, like, please like ignore my eyelash lah. My eyelash cacat lah. Hi guys, my name is Anisa and welcome to my channel. Firstly, for all the Muslim friends out there, Selamat Hari Raya and Eid Mubarak. I hope you all had a wonderful Ramadan in preparation for Eid, which is tomorrow, and I know this will be up like super late, maybe midnight or 1 or 2 AM. I still hope that you guys will be able to see this look and be inspired for your own makeup look. I used the Jaclyn Morphe palette, specifically the green color right in the middle of my eyelids as well as the outer corner. I'm really stoked that Jaclyn actually released a new set of 4 palettes, like what? And I saw her swatches and I'm like, damn third last year, but cannot buy. Anyway, I hope you guys like this look, and if you want to see how to create this, just keep on watching. I finished my lips using the Huda Beauty in the shade Trendsetter, as well as Catrice Cosmetics Volumizing Lip Booster right in the center of my lips. Do recreate this look, tag me in it because I really want to see it. My Instagram is I forgot my Instagram ID. I'm gonna put my Instagram ID right over here. That's my Instagram ID, which I forgot because I'm an old woman. Before I end this video, I wanted to thank everyone for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. And I hope you guys have a wonderful not Ramadan. Have a wonderful Aidilfitri. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!